Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's dive in on how to create a YouTube channel. It's so easy, it's straight to the point. Sometimes some of us always feel like once you own and download a YouTube app, you already own a channel. No, you have to follow step-by-step method in creating a channel. So let's go now. But first of all, you have to go and create email for it, or if you don't have email for it, you can still follow the prompt to create a Google account for it. So let's go now. Click on my YouTube app. Go to this place there, Dorot you. I'll click on it. This is a new YouTube. So I'll click on, then I'll click on, if I want to change my picture, my photos, then I'll go to my gallery and select any photo that I want to add there. So let's select any random picture you get, because I'm just trying to let us know how to do all these things. So see the picture, I have to place it well. Then I will now click on save as profile picture. It will be saved. Then my name, I want to edit this name now. Elizabeth Anastasia. I can just add it in my last name. So I'll now click on save. Then my handle. What is it that when people type on as in ads on this YouTube channel that they can see me? Maybe let me just use my lifestyle as what people can be using to get me. Make sure that there is no space. Make sure that there is no space. Okay, they say I should add another thing beside it so that it will look strong. Let me add 95 to it. So I think this one is okay. Now you see it has thick green. I'll click on save. Then I'll click on create channel. And that's it. The channel has been created. So see the channel here now. You see it. You can now write anything you want to write more about this channel. You can now write, you see it here, you add your description, anything you want people to know about your channel. Then you add this wallpaper. You see it, take a picture that is good, as in you can design a picture from with ChatGPT or with your Canva, and that is what you will put there. Oh my god. And that is what you put there. Privacy, keep all my subscriptions private. That is when you subscribe to someone's account, it will be private. It will not notify other people that you subscribe. So that is all for this side down. So let's go to settings. This is where you can add other things. If you can't do it here, you can do it in the website. Yes, you can do it in the website. Then purchases and membership. Okay, this one doesn't concern you. Sorry, this thing on my website. So let's move on to Google Chrome, so I can show you people how you can be able to do what, to set other things in your account using this YouTube site. So there are other things you need to set on your YouTube channel so that it will be of great standard. So this is my other account. Let me check if this one is visible from here, because sometimes this my account they give me issues. So because it's not visible here, let not go into it. Let me use this one and teach us everything I want to teach us. So go to this setting. Go to this setting. When you go to this place, once it's open, you see this currency, you change it to USD, US dollar, because you're in Nigeria. There are other accounts there like other New Zealand. You see all those things here. I hope you people are seeing it. So but I have chosen US dollar. Then I'll go to channel. I'll click on channel. All these things is what you will do on the website. You go to channel, they'll ask you of your country of residence, you put Nigeria. Then the keywords that you want to be in your channel, you see the keywords that I wrote here now. You can add as many as you want so that your movies or your videos will be going viral. Then advanced setting, make sure you read all these things. You read all these things and tick the ones that need to be ticked. Allow viewers to click my content allowed. You see it here. Disable internet based ad. No, if you disable it, that means ad will not be playing on your videos. Don't show potentially inappropriate word. Yes, so that your this thing will look neat. I want to review. Yes, this one you need to review it. YouTube know the joke with any content that violates kids. What is it called? Kids. What is it called? What is it called? Protection and the others, they know the joke with am. So you go to this feature enability, make sure that you pass through all these tests, standard, intermediate. I don't know if you people are seeing this thing. Upload videos, all these things, make sure it is being ticked. Is when you start posting in that your new channel that all these things will come. So you get it now. Then after everything, click on save. Click on save. Then let's go to permissions. There are a lot of things, you go to permission, you see it now. If you want another person to be handling your account, you add the person. Then community, this thing, all these things. After doing it, make sure you click on save. You see how I do my content moderation. Comments on, moderation is basic, message is basic, viewers post off. Please turn this thing on, it's very important. Minimum subscription time 1 day. Who can post subscribers here? No. Blocked word, you can block words here, like words you don't want to show on your this in YouTube. Type it here so that when anyone say anything about it, it will be removed automatically. Then hold comment with hashtag, yes, make sure you click on this thing so that they will not spam your comment section. Then minimum subscription time 1 day, and others you can change it to 1 week. The person will stay in your listing for 1 week before posting any comment. Then approve users, hidden users, all these things when you allow other people to join your life also. After everything, please click on save. Click on save. So we are not yet through here. Okay, seems like we are yet through. Yes, we are through here. Then go to this place. Copyright and analytics content. Let's go to earn so that you will see the features of YouTube and how the earnings looks like. So this is it. This is what you will achieve before you start earning on YouTube. You see it here. You see all of them. You have to meet a particular this thing before you start earning. So I hope you see everything here. So let's go back. Then go to customization. Go to customization. This one is also very important. This is where you add your banner. This is where you add everything, your profile picture, your description, your name. You see it, see my description. Your handle, that is what people will tag and they will get you on YouTube. Then your URL is, this is where you can copy your link and post everywhere so that people can follow you or subscribe to your channel. Then external link is like Facebook link, Twitter, Instagram. This is where you can add it. Then if you're doing business and you want to add your email, my dear, go and create another email. Don't use the same email you are using for your YouTube to do this one. It's very, very important. Then for the watermark, video watermark, if you want, it depends on how you want and what is it called, all this subscription. Please subscribe to my channel. Is it the entire video or end of the video or custom start time? It depends. Me, I added mine at the end, entire video. So go to home tab. You also check on home tab. You see everything here, how you are posting things. You see my videos, you see short, you see live stream, created playlist. Is only posts that I have not created on this channel. So when you create post, it will appear here too. So let's also go to let's go to copyright. So let's wait. You see, this is the place you check if you violated any rules and it was flagged. Then you come here and appeal or delete. Then let's go to content. Let's go to content. So this is where you will see all those things you have been posting on YouTube. This is where you will see all of them. The ones that are public, the ones that are unlisted, the ones on private. This is where you will see all of them. Your shorts, your live, your posts, your playlist, all of them. This is where you will see it. So let's go back and go to analytics. So the major important place is that place that is written settings. You set up everything you see there that align with you. It's very, very important. So see my analytics now. My channel got 24,000 views in the last 28 days. You see how you calculate your analytics and know if you are doing what you are doing on this same. Are you doing well or you are not? This is where you check everything. You check trends and know if there is any trends that you joined. You see it now. So you see it here. Get idea for the next video. So what people are looking for: animation, video editor, video making ideas in InShot. This is where you know what people are, as in get inspiration on what people are looking for, so that you know what you will use as your tag. New style. You see many people are looking for how to do editing. You see it here, InShot. So this is what Nigerian business side, ChatGPT furniture design. You see what people are looking for. So this place will also give you inspiration on how you will create your next listing, or how you will create your next post. Hope you see it now. So you go to audience, you check your audience, hope they are aligning with you. You get, as in explore. Make sure you explore here. Make sure you explore. So I hope I was able to make sure that this setting is very very important. In fact, as you're coming to this website, first of all, do everything and do this setting. That's the number one thing you need to do first before even checking other things. Then add your profile picture, make everything standard, give a good description, and tell people who you are, what you offer. Sometimes go to this site and check for inspiration and know what is on trend, and use it to create some videos, or use some hashtag that is related to it, and you see your post going viral. So I hope this I was able to teach us how to create a standard YouTube channel today. Please do well to subscribe, leave a comment, and practice everything that I've said here. Thank you all for your time. Thank you. See you next time.